Myself, I am Divakar Shetty. I'll going to give a presentation on basics of management under the subject Transportation and Industrial Management of 5th semester Automobile Engineering. In any industries or organizations, there are three elements are very important. One is the organization, second one is the administration, and third one is the management. First one is the organization. Organization in general, it is a group of people. They are doing work for a certain objectives. Here also it will be defined. Organization is a group of people working together in a designed way for a common objectives. But organization is not only to group of people, but also it requires gathering the materials and machineries. Therefore, in the second definition, it will be given an organization is a coordination of men, materials, and machines in such a way that to obtain maximum output with easy and efficiency. Therefore, here highlighted not only men, it also the material and machinery, organizing these three elements. Then second one is administration. Administration can be defined as that the administration peoples are always making the policies and procedure to run the industries. Here, administration can be defined as a function of laying down broad policies and procedure in an organization. Therefore, they are the policy makers. They are the thinkers. Therefore, it involves taking major policy decisions in an organization. And third one is a management. Management can be defined as a process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups and efficiently accomplish the selected aims. The management is executive function. Whatever the rules or policies, procedures laid down by the administration, that will be executed by the management. Therefore, it is given, it is an executive function. Translating the policy decision of administration into action. Whatever the policies are made under the administration, that will be translated into action by the management. And management is concerned with day-to-day decisions. Daily activities are taken place by the management. And you may know that in industries, there are so many people in the management. That level will be divided into three types. Top level management or top management, middle level management, and lower level management. According to the level, that is our top management, officials with highest authority like general manager, assistant general manager, which comes under the top level management. Second one is our middle management. And here, people having intermediate authorities, they are mediators or middlemen, like production superintendent, accounting officers, are comes under the middle level management. And third one is a lower level management or lower management. People having a minimum authority, like foreman, supervisors, are comes under the lower level management. They are directly contact with the workers or employees of the working class people. Therefore, these are the three levels of management. One is a top level, middle level, and lower level management. Then Henry File given 14 principles for or of organization. An organization will be efficiently executive means it requires certain principles. Its 14 principles are: first one is a division of work, second one is a authority and responsibility, and third one is a discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individual interest to the general interest, remuneration, and centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of tenure, initiative, and spirit of the cross. First you go for one by, next you go for one by one. Which is the division of work. Here, I mentioned that work must be divided in such a way that specialization is achieved by distributing the same work to the same person. This will be a thing side. This will increases the output of the persons. Therefore, division of work will be improves the production. Otherwise, this increases the output of the company. Next, authority and responsibility. It must go hand to hand. There should be a judicious delegation of authority and responsibility. It should be go hand to hand. Otherwise, only authorities is not enough. Otherwise, responsibility also not enough to execute any work. Therefore, authority and responsibility is one of the important principle of organization. And the third one, discipline. Pyle believes that discipline is absolutely essential of any organization for smooth running. For that, for any industry, disciplines require certain factors. Otherwise, maintenance of discipline requires one is a good supervision at all levels and agreements as clearly possible and judicious application of penalties in case of anything happens wrong. The penalty will be imposed and effective communication. Whatever the information should be flows to the all levels, then only discipline will be enhanced. Therefore, these four: good supervision at all levels, agreement as clearly possible, and judicious applications of penalty and effective communication. Next one is the unity of command. There is only one boss for one. One person should receive orders from one and only one boss. Then only organization will be work will be easily covered. Therefore, unity of command must be there in the organization for smooth running of an industry. And unity of direction. It means that one head and one plan for a group of activities have the same objective. There is a one plan for one head. Then only you can reach the same objective of an industry. Therefore, unity of the command is it also necessary for organization. And subordination of individual interest to the general interest. An employee who is working in a factory for earning his livelihood must have the general interest of factory in mind. Its individual interest should never prevail over the interest of the factory. Next, remuneration of personnel. Remuneration means it's a wage that will be paid to the workers. Therefore, remuneration is a wage paid to the workers for the effort put in by him. Whatever the effort will be shown to the industry or use it to the industry, he will be paid. And whatever the remuneration is paid, it will be fair and satisfactory for both sides, employers as well as employees. And centralization. Centralization means all authority will be retained by a central point. Whatever the authority is there, that will be retained by one point, that is a central point in an industry. For effective management of people, plan decentralized is necessary. Next point, scalar change. It means that authority and responsibility must be in a line, flow from a higher level to the lower level. Therefore, for example, general manager to the manager, manager to the supervisor or foreman, then it goes to the workers. Therefore, it will be in a scalar or it is in the flow in a along a line. That's order. Order means in the place of everything and everything in its place. Maybe material in the sense. Or a place for everyone and everyone is in place for man. Means it is a order. The factories must be in order such that every material can be taken out easily and every person will be located easily. If it is all things are in order, the management otherwise industry will be run smooth. Next one is equity. Management must treat all employees equally and kindly. If we are worker or in the top level management, everyone is treated as equal, treated equally and kindly. Then only success will be sure in the industry. Next, stability of tenure of personnel, retaining of employees. It is a must be there in industries. An average manager who stays is better than a brilliant manager who comes and goes. The labor turnover, otherwise it is not. If a manager stays, means is working for long period. It is better than bringing a new manager who was brilliant. Managers need to improve their skills and enhance their efficiency. Once you be retained for long period, automatically he will be improves his skill and enhances efficiency. Next one is initiative. Initiative means starting or starting the actions. It is also necessary in an organization. It is the ability to start action, to take decision. Every action there will be a starting point, taking the start. So it is necessary. Initiative. And last one is spirit de cross. It's a French word. In any industry, the harmony and union among the personnel is important. Among the workers, the people who are working in industry, there will be harmony and union is must for smooth running of an organization. This is a first section of basics of management and of subject industrial, industrial and transport management. I thankful to our chairman, Y.R. Nagaraju, and moderator Vijay Shivdi.